It's the mailman. What did you find, Hannah? Is there some mail? Can you bring it to Mommy? Special delivery? Oh boy. Oh boy. What have we got there? Is that for Mommy? Thank you.
Yes.
Very good. Is there any more? Okay, you go take a look. Oh, you found some more. That's a big one. Is that for Mommy too, Hannah? Yeah. Look at that one. Oh, thank you. Okay, is there any more? You can go take a look. Uh-oh, is it a big one, Hannah? Oh, two at a time. Wow, that's a really big one, Hannah. What is that? Oh boy. Okay, are those for Mommy? Great, Hannah. Thank you. That's great. Is there any more? No, no more? Thank you.